Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, February 28th. So, last day of the trading month. Not a very good ending so far for the Bulls, as they've given up all of January and February. NQ's even gone into some of November's destinations from 2024. Two key factors, I think, early on. Number one, do the overnight lows hold? If they do, then you got new monthly lows in the overnight. They took them out yesterday, finally. Now we'll see if we have new ones. The second thing, for both NQ and righty, will they have a possible outside month down? So if we close below 702 in NQ, it's an outside month down. Again, possible for righty also to have an outside month down. We will recap all of these charts tonight. Again, largest ranges of the year yesterday. Decent volume, 70-something million in SPY, 50-something million in NQ. So way above the averages of this year. But again, in context, our averages for this year have been pretty poor. I still believe it is mostly short-term selling. Okay? The big question I think we have to ask ourselves is, will the big boys get involved selling it or buying it? We don't know. I think there's a lot of cash still sitting there. So we'll see what side they come in on. Again, it would be much harder to see if they're coming in on the long side. But I can tell you what, if we continue with these ranges and the volume goes from 70 million to 150 million, then you can rest assured the big boys are fed up and they're going to start selling. Now, we still have a lot of time prior to the opening. You also have PCE coming out at 8:30, which will send these algos into a tizzy. But right now, early on, that's a very desirable risk-reward short against the overnight high and the first set of single prints in ES. NQ, same thing, right against the base of the price probe and last year's low. Again, these are early plays. As far as a long, not really looking for one right now. Look at value from yesterday. Value low is all the way up at 39 in ES. Okay? $5 away. So even if the bulls rally hard today, it's still going to be done with lower value. Doesn't mean I wouldn't look for longs, but value will not be in their favor. Same with NQ. And the reason for that is because the market stretched out so much. Right? Value is 70% of the day's volume. So it stretched. Value didn't go with it. Same with NQ. It's up at around 8. I'm going to round it out. 880. Okay? That's almost 300 points higher. So that's something to definitely keep in mind. Okay? The odds of taking this whole thing back, we'll see. I mean, it's a massive price spike. So after being 10 for 10 wide. But the bulls have some work to do. We'll see come 9:30 where we will be looking to open. And that's why at 9:15 we're giving you both sides. Never one side. We're giving you long scenarios and short scenarios starting at 9:15 and then throughout the whole day. And then chart-wise, again, we'll recap all of these tonight as there could be some big changes. For now, I'm just going to show you the daily. Again, the one thing that I've been mentioning a lot lately, we have not seen the 200-day moving average in ES in a long, long time. We're $15 from it still, which is still a ways away, but we've certainly made inroads towards it over the past 5 days or so. And remember, 5 out of 6 days, we have not seen the opening after a period. IWM's been below the 200 for 5 days in a row. And triple Q's is also heading towards it like ES and SPY are. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Remember, I'm going to do that $5 weekly special for the next 4 weeks or so. So come join us, check us out, and see what we're all about. Because I think it would be very well worth your while. Have a good day, and we'll recap the day and the week and the month at 4 p.m.